From today we are studying Economic Survey 2017-80 series. So this is just introduction lecture. So you should know uh, what you have to prepare for this Economic Survey series, because something prerequisite for this Economic Survey series. So you must have to know the basic facts and uh, what this in Economic Survey government is trying to say, and what government will cover, that you should have to know. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 2017-18. So basic is start from here only. That from which how you will come to know which economic service is for which year, means ये इकोनॉमिक सर्वे किस ईयर के लिए है, 2017-18, not for 2016 or 17 or not for 18-19. ओके, सो 2017-18 का जस्ट ओवरव्यू देता है जो पास्ट इकोनॉमिक ईयर है. And now you can see this is a what I want to teach, because as you must have to know what is a GNI, gross national income, basic figure, means what is your definition. You must have to know definition. What is your gross national income, net national income, real gross value, and annual growth rate. The basic definition you must have to know before pursuing the economic service series. Okay, because I'll not teach what is a real gross value or what is a GDP. That you must have to know, and you must have to prepare by yourself. Okay, so as you can see in topic 1, government is talking about national income and production. In this part, government is talking about various figures and facts. So this topic is not very important, but it is important. You must have to prepare this topic, especially in the in last column. You can see energy generated here, as you can see a installed capacity and energy generated, and operation of Indian Railways. This is a basic infrastructure that you have to know, and growth of civil aviation transport. And this part is very important for GS paper 3. GS paper 3, this part is very important. So you must have to know, and you must have to get idea how you have to frame your answer by using this economic survey. Okay, so topic 1, this is important. And now budgetary transaction. How fundamental federal structure of government is working, and how finance commission is working, and from where government is getting money, and where money is going on. So you have to know this budgetary transaction. As you can see, total expenditure, financial performance of Indian Railways, means why railway is in loss, and what is the performance of civil aviation, that you must have to know. And as you can see, employment is very important topic. Employment is very important topic for as you can see, this is employment is very important topic. Okay, uh, what is the performance of public sector, what is the performance of private sector. As government is in loss, so public sector unit is not working properly. So public sector job or government job is not in market. Okay, and people are saying same situation with the private sector also. So you have to know the basic requirement, that how CSO work on employment. I'll cover this employment topic in very detail. uh, क्या रियल में कहीं जॉब है या नहीं है, वो हम बताएंगे. ओके, then what is a monetary trend, and prices, how WPI cover IIP industrial production and WPI wholesale price index and all the things means basic definition you have to clear by yourself. And how economic survey will use how economic survey used in paper 3, that I teach. Okay. And balance of payment is very important topic, balance of payment, because this economic survey is saying India is on peak in balance of payment and foreign currency, something 409 billion currency India currently have uh, in its RBI पॉकेट. सो आप समझ सकते हैं कि 409 बिलियन अगर इकोनॉमी है, 409 बिलियन का, तो फिर काफ़ी बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट है. और एफडीआई सबसे ज़्यादा आ रहा है, ये भी है, क्लियर है, ये भी इकोनॉमिक्स में बताया गया है, तो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. और मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, human development indicator, human development indicator, how government is performing on social parameter, means इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, वो सब इसमें बताया गया है. सो एक एक करके हम टॉपिक करेंगे. नीचे कुछ चार्ट हैं और कुछ इस बार इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में कुछ 21 टॉपिक हैं, तो हम सेक्शन वाइज डिवाइड करके उसको करेंगे. तो जस्ट ये इंट्रोडक्शन लेक्चर था कि हम लोग उसको कैसे कैसे करेंगे. मैं दोनों वॉल्यूम इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का कवर करूंगा, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का मैं दोनों वॉल्यूम कवर करूंगा. और आपको बस जो बेसिक डेफिनेशन मैंने बताया, ये सब बेसिक डेफिनेशन खुद से क्लियर करना है, क्योंकि बेसिक डेफिनेशन भी अगर बताऊंगा तो फिर लेक्चर का टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. सो कल मॉर्निंग में आपको फर्स्ट लेक्चर मिल जाएगा इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का, और प्रोबेबली वो मैं इजी से स्टार्ट करूंगा. हम ज़्यादा फैक्ट से फिगर में नहीं जाएंगे, क्या फैक्ट है क्या फिगर है, जो इम्पोर्टेंट डेटा है वही हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे. और वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग कि मैं कोई दूसरा मटेरियल यूज ना करके जो गवर्नमेंट का इकोनॉमिक सर्वे है उसी को यूज करूंगा, सो दैट एक ही मटेरियल में पूरा का पूरा काम हो जाए, हमको बहुत चीजें रिफर करने की जरूरत ना पड़े. सो कल मॉर्निंग में आपको इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का फर्स्ट लेक्चर मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.